Hi guys, welcome to our channel JCIT World, where we are going to simplify our technology for you to help on everything. So today we are replacing Dell screen. The customer came with the problem with the screen. They are getting the lines on the screen. So today we are replacing the screen. As you can see, the model number of the Dell laptop is Inspiron 3521. So let's start with replacing the screen. So first of all, I want to inform you people, always remove the battery if it is connected external, so that it will be very easy for you to go ahead with other operations. So normally, a lot of time, what happens if you are connected with the battery, there are chances your boards might get short or something like that when you're replacing the cable or something. Okay, the first part, we are going to remove the bezel of the screen. As you see, you can see on the screen that we are removing the bezel of the screen. Remove the screen bezel. So the Inspiron 3521 comes with the cap to the hinges, where we need to you have to remove the caps also there. I'm using a plastic remover so that I'm not going to damage the screen or any other part of your laptop. So remove both the caps of your of the hinges on the laptop. It's removed. And now I'm going to loosen the screws inside. Give me a moment here. Okay, so done with this, the second one, done with this too. So we already loosened the bezel. Now I'm going to remove the screws over the bezel. All the 4 screws, whichever we have it on the screen. Loosen everything, remove the screw. There are 4 screws is going to come on the screen. Done with 2 screws, third done, and I'm going with the last one. Yes, done with all the 4 screws now. Now remove the screen easily, so easy. Here, as I'm not removed the complete bezel, I don't want to take a risk, because to remove the bezel we have to remove the complete laptop from the base panel. I just remove the screws of the screen and just remove the cable from the screen now. There's a sticker sticked on the screen from the display cable, just removing it. Be careful while removing the display cable. You should not damage the cables. You should be very careful. Make sure use gentle, be gentle on the screen cables. Yes. Now I've removed the cable now. So keep it aside. Then we'll go with the new screen, which I kept aside. So my customer is looking at the screen what they had earlier. Now this is the new screen which we have bought. So I'm going with replacing the new screen on the laptop now. I'm writing on the laptop screens because we are providing a warranty for customers whoever buy from us. We have some this screen actually carry a 1 year of warranty from the date we are going to install it. We provide the GST bill too, but to make sure where we buy it from to get the warranty easily, I just made a marking on my screen. I'm just going to insert the screen now inside the panel. No, this is the wrong way. I'll take it in a proper yes. Now, so go ahead. Now we'll connect the cable to the screen. There's a little bit it's not a difficult job, but still you should be very careful while connecting back again. That's what, as I told you earlier, we should not damage the cable while removing or connecting. So be careful while connecting the cables. Take a little time. It's taking too much time. Okay, almost done. It's a difficult job. Now let me go ahead. Yes, I'm done with connecting the cables now. Put it back. I'm not going to put a complete screws. No, just a moment. Let me sticker so that the cable won't come back after connecting the cable, because whenever they open a lid of the laptop, there are chances that the cable might get removed from the connectivity which we have already done. That should not happen. So I'm taking care that I'm going to put an extra, I've already put an extra sticker over there on the cable which is connected firmly. I'm screw it back for the display. Let me. One done. Second one. Done with second one. The third one. The last fourth one. Yes, done with all the screws. There is a screen card on the laptop screen which we have newly connected. I'm just saying the customer, do you want to keep it or just do you want to remove it? A lot of customers wanted to keep it at the same, whatever it has come with, but I prefer remove the screen guard whichever you get it with the screen, because the screen guard comes, it's a plastic material. After the use of some 1 or 2 months, you might get the light scratches on the the plastic, and you feel like the scratches make look the screen little blur. So I've told them to remove that. They said let get on, everything is going to work fine, then we'll remove it off. Just checking it's not switching on. Sorry. Yes, done with installing the battery and all. Now I just connected directly to the the adapter. Switched on, everything is working fine. I'm not completely connected the bezel, just checking with the putting password up there, so that before handing over this thing to the customer, they should be happy. I should be proper with all the connections and all. So they told me to remove the scratch card, as of they don't need that. So I removed. That's a satisfaction, removing, peeling the plastics on a new things. I like it too. Yes, they're going with their password. Done. Yes, ta-da. So all set. The laptop is working fine. It's at the good condition now. They're very happy. Let me fix the bezel and all. Just showing you the clarity of the screen now. Yes. So done with fixing the screen bezel. Let's connect. Let me put back the caps. Let's shut down the laptop. With the shutting down also I can do. Done. Just close the laptop screen now. Okay. Fix this screen. Sorry. Lost the control on this laptop. No, it's fine. Yes, done. Let me put back all the panel properly. You should hear the click sound when you're doing it. Yes, done. So all done. Let me have a customer review now.
ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಖಾಲಿ ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಮೌಸ್ ಕಿ ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಹೇಳಿ?
ರಾಘವ್ ಅಂತ ಸರ್.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. Hi, Raghavan. I am very happy with the Raghavan service. Okay, really by meeting him first time, we were quite impressed with his way of doing the thing. Okay, and I recommend all the customer to his Chamunda IT World.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. I hope I have given my good service.